Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your signature in Adobe Acrobat fill and sign keeps disappearing again and again, then this video will help you fix it permanently. Many users add their signature, but the next time they open Adobe Acrobat, the signature is gone. The good news is this happens because one small option was not selected while creating the signature. In this video, I will show you the exact solution step by step. In step 1, open the Adobe Acrobat on your computer or PDF file. From the top menu, click on e-sign. Now click on add signature. Here you can type your signature or draw your signature or upload an image of your signature. Create the signature the way you like. Before clicking apply, look carefully at the bottom of the window. You will see an option called Save Signature. Make sure this box is checked. This is the most important step. If this option is not selected, Adobe Acrobat may remove the signature later and it will disappear from the Fill and Sign tool. Now after checking Save Signature, click on Apply. The next time you open Adobe Acrobat, your saved signature should still appear in the Fill and Sign section. And that's it. Problem solved. Now you don't need to create your signature again and again in Adobe Acrobat. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with the others who are facing the same issue. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.